Hello everyone, a special thank you to Theo in St. Cloud, Florida with the purchase number 5 of 6 pairs of glasses he's gotten for me. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed in quality. I am See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm have you see Mo Better, look at Mo Better and show everyone else the Zeiss DriveSafe lenses with anti-glare. This is being shown in a RayBan Liteforce frame, but I can put them in any prescription. The popular thing, this is a very new lens, first one I've been able to show you. I have not done all my research. In fact, the popular thing on the internet now is do your own research. Don't watch my YouTube video to find out everything. But I will have a link in the description below of everything that Zeiss can tell you about their DriveSafe lens, but it gives you a 43% wider medium field of view. By the way, for starters, this is a single vision digital high definition lens that gives you a 43% wider field of view as you come downwards in the lens from looking at a distance prescription to your dashboard to checking your mirrors. Plus this optimizes low light visibility for driving at night, and of course one of the best driving anti-glares you can have, which is the DriveSafe anti-glare, only available on the DriveSafe lenses. And I can get these in single vision. I'll have to check to see if I can do them in a line style bifocal, but I can do them definitely in the digital progressives, digital freeform progressives. This is a single vision freeform digital lens, but it's available in many other types. And but you can get them with, I'll have to check, you can get them with the transitions. I don't know if they're available in the polarized. Again, I'll do some more research. This is all new. I just wanted to quickly show it to you. It is a clear lens, good for daytime and nighttime driving. But as I said, there will be a link in the description below where you can do your own research and then build upon that research. I will have these lenses available on the website within the next couple of weeks, hopefully, as the website is rebuilt. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Free Prescription Lenses, on Twitter as Free RX Lenses. If you have any questions, just go to the Contact Me page of the website, or you can email me directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below, and I will respond back to that. But Theo in St. Cloud, Florida, thank you so much for the purchase of the 6 pairs of lenses and frames that you have gotten from me. And of course, from Zeiss, you're always going to get all the documentation. This is the single vision DriveSafe lens, your prescription, the optical center height, your PD, the powers of your lenses that I always highlight before sending back, and which pair they were from. But again, thank you for the 6 purchases, the confidence you had in my company and myself to get you the best optimal care that you can have, the best visual clarity. And again, thanks for watching, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that love and feeling back to glasses. Thank you.